Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the camera and getting the app ready. This saves time. Once done, connect your phone to the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network because most Zosi devices don't support 5 GHz. Open the Zosi Smart app, sign up or sign in, and grant camera, microphone, and location permissions so pairing can use QR/UID and network checks. Make sure the camera LED shows setup mode. If not, press its reset for 5-10 seconds to enter pairing. Now you're ready to add the device. Now you'll pair the device step by step. In the app, choose Add Device, then scan the camera QR code or type the UID printed on the unit. This links the app to the hardware. Next, select the connection method, router mode for straightforward home Wi-Fi or AP/soft AP if direct pairing is needed. Enter the 4 GHz SSID and password exactly, case matters. Then follow the app prompts to transfer credentials to the camera. Wait for the confirmation tone and app status to show online before moving on. Finish by opening Live View to confirm video and audio, move the camera if needed. Then set motion detection sensitivity, push alerts, and configure recording to cloud or the SD card so events are stored. Test playback of a recorded clip to ensure everything writes correctly. If something fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the camera, confirm your phone is still on the 4 GHz network, and perform a hardware reset if necessary. This often clears pairing errors and lets you re-add the device successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.